what will be the first delivery for these orders?
Very detailed MOU, but the amendments to their contracts, these are all Airbus operators, will take hopefully less than a few weeks from now, and our target is that these will all be full purchase orders in our order book by the end of the year. But this is an MOU that's being signed for clarification today. The negotiating teams on both sides, I think, did a fantastic job for Airbus and for the airlines involved.
$49.5 billion US dollars, regretfully they did not pay this price. Despite Barry's strongest objection, they refused to pay those price. So the number actually will be less than that.